Today, you will learn how to add page number to PDF online for free. First, open any internet browser like Chrome or Edge. Now go to Google. In the search box, type Add PDF Page Number, then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see many websites, but open the I Love PDF website from the results. When the website opens, click Select PDF File and choose your PDF document from your computer. After uploading, you'll see page number settings. First, choose between single page or facing pages. You can see the live preview here on the left side. Next, select the position where you want the page number to appear in the document. Then choose the margin size. You can also customize the text style by selecting the font type, size, color, and style. Once everything looks good, click Add Page Numbers. Wait a few seconds while the PDF is processed. Now click Download to save your new numbered PDF file. That's it. You have successfully learned how to add page numbers to a PDF online for free. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.